different media types. To begin, I added some videos to my project. First, click anywhere in Project Panel and then press tilde key on your keyboard to maximize this panel. Now right-click on one of the column headers and select Metadata Display. In the pop-up, expand Premiere Pro Project Metadata and then check Media Type and click OK. The first 3 items in my project are audio. They have this icon and this green color. Then I have some video. A video is a clip without any audio. They have this icon and purple color. Next, I have 3 movies. A movie is like a video which also has an audio. They have this icon and blue color. After that, I have 3 images that have this icon and a pink color. Finally, I have 3 sequences, which have this icon and a green color. A sequence is a combination of all other media discussed above. Now you can press tilde again to exit from maximization. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.